In the previous video, I have written this program. The program is written using functions, right? Then I said that we should combine length and breadth and define a structure. Now in this lecture, we will see structure and functions. So let us define a structure. Here, struct rectangle, and inside this length and inside this breadth. So I have defined a structure which is combining length and breadth. So inside main function, I will not be declaring length and breadth, but I will be declaring a variable of type rectangle, right? So rectangle R, I will initialize it to 0, 0 initially, right? So this is initialized to 0, 0. Now here I am taking length and breadth. So I cannot directly access length and breadth. I should say r dot length and r dot breadth. All right. Then what about this area and perimeter? These are meant for this rectangle, right? So they should not take length and breadth separately. They should take rectangle as a parameter. So I will write struct, this is rectangle as parameter. So r. Then inside this, they should have r dot length and r dot breadth. So I'm just modifying the code. See the same program, but the way it is written is different. So struct rectangle and r. And here I should say r dot length and r dot breadth. So first I made change to r dot breadth, then r dot length. Then to this area, I should not pass length and breadth. I should pass a complete rectangle. This is complete rectangle. See, the benefit here is that we were passing two things to area and perimeter. But now those two things are combined and put together inside a box called rectangle. Now from here, we are passing a box to this area and a box to this perimeter. And the box is containing length and breadth. So area can access length and breadth, and perimeter can also access length and breadth. And the parameter passing method that we are using is called by value. All right. And the project is C++ type, so struct is not mandatory. So if you give or don't give, doesn't make any difference. So in one function I have given struct, other function I have removed it. All right. So I can mix both C and C++ style of programming. There's a minor difference here, right? Now let us run the program. Length is 10 and breadth is 5. Same result. See, the working of a program is not changing, but the way program has been written is different, right? The preparation is different, but the final result is same. All right. The way it is prepared is different. All right. So this is structure and function. So this is the style of programming that I have adopted in my codes. All right. And this is the C style of program, right? If you convert into class, then it is a C++ style. So it is easy to convert it into a class. So I will also show you how to convert this into a class in the next lecture. Before leaving, I will also write one function for initializing. An initialize function will take a structure rectangle by address. So this is address, and it should also take length, and this also take breadth. This already I have explained you on whiteboard, right? So I am just directly writing the code. Length assign L and R's, breadth assign B. Then from main function, instead of directly accessing length and breadth, you can call the function initialize. So then here you should have temporary variables L and B, and you should read the values in L and B. All right. I will remove this one. See, I'm making changes. You have to be very careful. You watch it carefully and try to practice this one, right? I'm making changes. I'm not writing a fresh code. So I will call this function initialize, which will take address of R, then length is L and breadth is B. Now, instead of directly accessing length and breadth of a rectangle, it is initialized by calling initialize function. And this L and B are temporary variable for user interaction. I will run the program. It works in the same way. 10 and 5. Yes, everything is same. So this program is written using structure and functions. All right. The one which we have seen on whiteboard. So first program we saw monolithic. Later we made functions. Now we made structure and functions. Now the next move is for object orientation. So I will convert this program into a class. So the next lecture is on object orientation. So practice this and be ready till here so that you can follow me and convert the program into object oriented program.